Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and today we're going to be diving into something that every classic Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury owner or future owner should know about, and that is the Marti Report. If you've ever wanted to uncover the original history, vehicle build options, where it was built, and even how rare it is, then this is the only way to do it. I'll actually purchase the Deluxe Report so you can see exactly how it works and what to expect. The only two things you will need is your VIN number and a credit card. All right, so let's jump into it. There's two ways you can do this. You can either go to MartiAutoWorks.com or you can just type in Marti Report and you'll see it here, Marti Auto. And here we are on the main page. You'll see that there are several different options as you scroll down, and you can see here I already input my information. A 1979 Ford Bronco. For the Marti Reports, there's the standard, deluxe, and elite. And as you can see, it goes up in price from $20 for the standard, $55 for the deluxe, and $300 for the elite. And this is as of September of 2025. You can also get production stats, personalized statistics report. That's an additional $80. And then there's other report upgrades you can add as well. Personally, I feel like that's all kind of confusing information it's throwing at you. Really what you need to know is there's basically three options. And if you want additional information, you can add those to your cart as well. All right, so the standard report gives you the basic information of the production date, original color, trim, engine, and transmission. It's a great entry-level option if you're just wanting the essentials. The next step up from that is the deluxe report, and this is the most popular choice. It includes everything in the standard, plus a detailed breakdown of the options, production statistics, and a reproduction of your car's original door plate. Now, the elite report is the most expensive. They'll actually print it out and frame it for you and ship it out. So that's what's included in that full elite report, which will also include the specific production statistics and a recreation of the window sticker. Personally, my vehicle is not really in the greatest shape, and I know there's already not a lot of original parts on it. So I'm wanting to go with the deluxe report. Also, if you're looking to auction or sell your car off because it is rare, this might be an option to look at, is getting the elite report. If I wanted to change it, I could change it here and select the year of your vehicle. Mine's a 1979 Bronco. Okay, and so then that will pop up all the information and options. And I'm wanting to go with the deluxe report, the deluxe option, and I'm going to add it to cart. All right, so it says here all the information that it will include. They're also going to include a PDF. You'll learn how many cars were made just like yours and provide the statistical analysis for your car's model year and body style, sorted by exterior color, exterior trim combination, engine and transmission, and DSO. Some of the newer vehicles take a little bit longer. My Bronco and trucks and vans, those are 10 to 14 days as well. They offer rush service. I'm not in a huge rush on this, but I will show you guys what it looks like once I receive it. Okay, so the next step is to enter in the VIN number. Okay, it says here we offer exact reproduction of the door tag for your vehicle. Lead times for tags are 3 to 4 weeks and may vary depending on workload. So that's an additional $33 if you want a door tag. Will even include rivets. I could just do simply the PDF and print it myself also, but I want to get the mailed version so you guys can see exactly what you get in the mail. Add the item to the cart. Total cost of $59, and that doesn't include shipping, I believe. So let's go to checkout. Okay, so now you're going to input the billing information specific to you. I'm just going to brush through this. Looks like shipping is $8. Looks like you can pay with PayPal as well. So that's really cool. It's looking like the total cost, having it shipped out for a printed report, is $67. They will provide you with a PDF copy. It's really nice. I'm going to save that in all of my information that I have digitally saved on my Bronco. So that's something that I can keep track of in case for some reason I lose the printed report. Now it's just a matter of hitting place order. Okay, great. So it's processed my order for my 79 Bronco, and it says that I'll receive an email with my order information, and I'm just going to print this page for my reference. I'm just going to check my email to see if I received confirmation on it. All right, so I've already received confirmation. Okay, so once you've placed your order, Marti Auto Works will process it and mail out your report. And the turnaround time can vary, but usually you'll have it in a couple of weeks, and trust me, it is worth the wait.
All right, so I finally received my Deluxe Marti Report in the mail. It took about a month since I ordered this, so it did take a little bit of time to receive this, and I did get the PDF last week by email. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. All right, let's dive into it. Okay, so right off the bat, something that you would not receive if you didn't receive the printed copy, just the PDF, is the actual officially licensed product with the hologram from Ford, which is really cool, super unique. Definitely something that would need to be displayed if I had this at a car show, and just showing its authenticity from Kevin Marty. My serial number is up here. They've got a reproduction of the door plate, which is really cool. It was starting from the top here. Below the serial number is the breakdown of what that dash plate or door plate actually means. So it is the U15, the U150 Bronco 4x4 wagon. Obviously these 79 Broncos are very similar to the F-Series trucks, and that's why they label them the U150. Originally came with the 351 with the 2-valve engine. It was built at the Michigan truck plant, and the serial number of this Bronco was scheduled for production at the Michigan truck plant. Gives me the wheelbase, the original color, dark blue metallic paint, and even the number right here. The U150 Bronco wagon, 6,100 pounds gross vehicle weight. Came with the blue vinyl bench seat with a white fiberglass roof. Came with the automatic transmission, which is the C6. Conventional rear axle at a 350 ratio. Gross vehicle weight in pounds, 6,100. Model year, 1979. And it was ordered to the Houston District Sales Office. I bought this Bronco out of Austin, Texas, and I had a feeling that this has always been a Texas truck, and it turns out it has. You could tell here, which is really cool, that the stock number and where it was originally sold. So Lay Motors outside Round Rock, Texas, which is North Austin. So that's really cool that it's always been a Texas truck until now, until we've owned it. Here's some other equipment features. It had the white fiberglass roof, had the ammeter and oil pressure gauges, white sidewall tires, had the inside spare tire. So it had the bright low mounted Western mirrors, air conditioner, vinyl, body side moldings, AM FM radio, flip up rear bench seat, visibility group, tinted glass, super cooling radiator, had the convenience group, front and rear chrome bumpers, and the custom package. Over here are some cool important dates. So when the order was received, when it was serialized, when it was bucked, scheduled for build, and when it was actually built. The day it was released, which was the day that it was actually built, and then it was sold just a few months after that, which is pretty cool that they have the actual date of sale. So then here in the statistics, it breaks it down on the rarity of your vehicle based on the color and the options that it had. Mine is actually not that rare, just from what it looks like here. Yours may be more rare, but it's interesting to find this out just on how many of them are produced. So with that paint code, there was close to 10,000 made. With the paint and trim, it was only 1,863, so it's a little bit rare that you got that paint for having it being a custom. Engine and transmission, a lot of them had this. They either came with the 351 or the 400, same block, different stroke. They either came with the 4-speed manual or C6 automatic. The Houston District Sales Office ordered 2,225 of these. 45,000 had the white fiberglass roof. So most of them were either the white or the black. It seems like white was probably a little more popular. So with this, my Bronco in particular is pretty much not that rare, but with how many of them are surviving, it probably is kind of rare these days. So it's really interesting to see the breakdown of all these stats. Thank you for watching this video on how to purchase a Marti Deluxe Report. If you enjoyed it, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.